Hello my friends, here am I again with my third sketch in the same style, just to see how it's going, and the next sketches will be in a different mode, with the different mood, but let's continue with this third one. So again, we are starting with watercolor first, with our base. And I'm trying to get the colors, pick up the colors from the reference picture. I like it because it has dimension because of the light. You see, when sun is out there, you can see better three-dimensionality of the buildings, of the subjects, of everything, and it makes everything so much more beautiful as opposed to be flat when there's no any sun, with shades and shadows and lights. So that's why I do really like references with this kind of lights. So I want to show, if I will be able, I want to show the three-dimensionality of this house. But regardless, the photo is just a reference, and anytime if you feel that you want to change something, you want to do something different, or you just didn't want to do exactly like there, you don't have to. You just do whatever you want. It's your sketch. Feel free, exercise your hand, train your muscle memory of your hand, of your eye memory, and stuff like that. Just feel free, enjoy yourself, enjoy your beautiful day, and try to do something beautiful. And it's always beautiful, trust me. Even though you think it's not successful today, look at that in 5 years after now. And I swear you would like it. You would think, oh my god, this is what I did. I don't even remember. Oh my god, I was so good back then. Why wouldn't I continue? This is what I was thinking about my things when I stopped and didn't do for a while. So anyway, every day will be better and better and better, and just do whatever you like. Never do things when you're not happy. If you don't want to do exact that thing, if you don't like the subject to draw, just change it in your mind, change it under your brush, change it anyhow, but do whatever you like, and then you would like the result. So what I'm doing now, I'm still kind of drawing with my dark colors, kind of trying to make a shape of the house, and kind of drawing the main objects on the house to show myself where will be everything. And so after that, I will use the ink. So the ink would be the main lines, which will describe the whole things, what is going on in there. Okay, and after watercolor, I was supposed to do the ink part, and I guess I didn't turn on the recording. So I'm so sorry, I didn't record the ink part. But you can see that after ink, I am doing like highlights with the white ink. That's a Chinese white ink. It's very thick, and it looks and feels like a gouache. I do really like it. It works really well. And also when you are using white pen, like ball pen, it doesn't work really good on top of the black ink for some reasons, and it doesn't look so bright. And this one looks really well, and just the one minus is that the you can't draw really tiny details which you would be able to do with the pen, because you can get so thin brush ever as a pen. But overall I do like it a lot. So anyway, so I'm doing highlights with these whites, and then after that I would probably fix it with the black ink, because I think I put too much highlights. Well, sometimes it happens, you think that it's not enough and you can't stop yourself, but then you realize that you did it a little bit too much. So it's always, it's never late to change, especially again, this is your sketch, you do what you want, and so you can get and fix it. So as you see, I got my ink and I am fixing the spots. Well, at least you got a chance to see how I'm working with ink today on this sketch, at least now. So anyway, you see I'm adding some darkness, thicker lines, and it looks much more brighter and better, and gives it more illusion of a more like three-dimensionality. Okay, thanks again for coming back, and my next sketches will be in a different mood, about different things with the different materials and different styles. Please write me below what you want to see or hear, and if you have any wishes me to talk about or show something, just please write below and I'll do so. So see you next time, my friends. Bye bye.